All right, there's a lot of ice on here. It's thick. It's on the side of my pod too. I had to break it up a little. Oh my God. I don't want to get my hands wet. This last time, they were really cold. Oh, happy Friday. Let's do this. Oh. Woo. Okay, I gotta. Oh, I gotta get a couple out. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh. Easy breezy. Ooh. Oh, it's cold on the fingers. Oh. Well, it is definitely an ice bath now. It's official. It's icy. Oh. I'm just trying to sink down a little more as it is really windy. All right, on day 8. I have no idea what the temperature is outside. I'm gonna add all that later. Just for anybody who's not reading the comments, I am doing this plunge, sharing these for all of you to see that it is possible. This is literally free therapy. Making myself mentally stronger, physically stronger. It's been an amazing last 30 days or more, a little more than 30 days of plunging. I just want to make sure that all of you are aware. My children and my family watch these videos as well. I'm not posting these on here to be a skin pick. You don't wear a lot of clothes when you're cold plunging. That's just the way that you do it. You won't see any man fully dressed. And most of the women are wearing swimsuits. And I don't have a big budget, so I'm not going out and buying a bunch of swimsuits and special cold gear for this.